Chubei Ito and Andrew Carnegie shared the idea that teamwork is the fuel that allows common people to attain uncommon results, and that 3 strands are stronger than one. At MISA, we've had the privilege and opportunity to inspire teams across a wide variety of industries and diverse cultures. We have had a long history of unparalleled reliability, innovation, and teamwork. Our deep roots and strategic alliances with steel and aluminum mills around the world, coupled with our downstream services, innovative products, and custom solutions, have been instrumental in keeping industry moving on the ground and in the air, on the water, and in factories across the Americas and the globe. Our solutions and innovations have helped architects to reach new heights, leaders in technology to expand their horizons, healthcare workers a place to care for our loved ones, and venues across the land to cheer in. Our commitment to the environment through sustainable materials and designs is providing builders and manufacturers the solutions they need to make our homes and cars more energy efficient and safer than ever before. It's why trust is so important. It's why we work so hard for our customers. It's why we believe we can achieve more together than we ever could alone.